So operations managers absolutely care about their bottom line, and they care about their throughput. It's all about getting product out the door when it comes to distribution, fulfillment, or manufactured systems. Incorrect preventative maintenance will obviously cause downtime situations. We have countless situations where customers only say, if you could only see what I'm looking at right now, we could solve that problem faster. We've had several situations where we've actually had to send engineers to site to plug in a cable. That's lost downtime as well as expensive travel just to plug in a cable. So by having augmented reality glasses on site, we can actually see the problem and tell the technicians on site, plug in the cable. One of the things augmented reality really empowers is the show me, don't tell me situation, where a technician is trying to explain the problem and can't explain it. So by utilizing the video and the microphone and the speaker, we can actually see and help the customer through the problem.